why am I teaching pranayama? Why pranayama? Many of you know it is 2002 onwards that I started talking to people, sharing my thoughts, views, perspective with people. For a long time I did what I would call soothsaying. Okay, you call it aura reading, you call it whatever else you want. I would still categorize it as soothsaying. And thereafter I got into training people for the corporate as well as personal coaching. But in all these years what I did realize is that कितना भी ज्ञान दे दो, knowledge only travels with you a short distance. After that, it may or may not be with you. It is dependent on how much you have practiced it, how much you remember it, how much you have worked upon living it. So there are so many variables. It may not go a long way with you. Then I had this experience a couple of years ago when I went for the Kumbh Snan. Now this is the previous one, Kumbh in Allahabad. And I entered the cold water there. And the moment I entered the cold water, it was freezing cold. I forgot everything. I forgot everything about everything. I couldn't remember anything at all. It was so cold. एक भी मंत्र मुझे याद नहीं आया. जो मंत्र मैंने बचपन से सीखे थे, बचपन से मैं बोलते आया हूँ, उनमें से एक भी मंत्र मुझे याद नहीं आया. तो उस दिन एक बात समझ में आई. When the push comes to a shove, ज्ञान साथ नहीं देने वाली. तो मैं दूसरों को क्या दे सकता हूँ जो परस्पर उनके साथ चले. The second level after information and knowledge, the second level comes to muscle memory. Okay, lot of ancient crafts, martial arts, dance, they are all about muscle memory. Most of our practices are about muscle memory. So that's another level where one could benefit in the long run because they travel a long time. Yeah. Finally, what was with me in that cold water experience? What got me back to my balance? What got me back to my semblance was the breath. Only when I stabilized my breathing did I become stable. तो उस दिन एक बात समझ में आई. नॉलेज कुछ समय तक आपके साथ चलेगा, मसल मेमोरी कुछ और समय तक आपके साथ चलेगा, लेकिन ये जो प्राण है, श्वास, योर ब्रेथ, इट इज गोइंग टू बी विद यू टिल द वेरी लास्ट, टिल योर वेरी एंड. ओके, तो और कुछ सीखने लायक है भी फिर. तो इस सवाल को लेके मैंने जब खोज खबर करी तो बहुत सारी सच्चाइयाँ, लॉट ऑफ रियलिटीज emerged, and that is why and that is when I decided that this is what is worth sharing with people. ज्ञान तो बहुत है मेरे पास देने को, and I will be posting a whole lot of online courses, but this is something I want to offer to each one as a gift.